Smooth entry into a building may look natural, but it does not happen by itself. The operator is the heart of the automatic door of any premises and in constant use. Continuous maintenance keeps doors safe, efficient, and reliable for a long time, but at some point, even the toughest mechanics can fail. To secure the future use of your door, we at KONE have developed a smart solution that allows renewing the door operator of almost any door manufacturer within any building. The all-new KONE Unidrive Kit allows the cost-efficient repair of older automatic sliding doors in a short time, without replacing the whole door unit. It guarantees safety for users and is quiet and reliable. This solution also provides a foundation for future cloud connectivity. With KONE, you get a partnership that adds real value every step of the way.